Right, so I'm going to show you guys how to clean up some of the things. So first of all, just in case you don't remember how to find your site, we'll do that first. So if you log into Weebly.com, and you're going to click My Site, then you're going to try to find the correct site. So for you, just click around until you find the right one. So I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to click Edit Site. From there, it takes me to my homepage, and you can see that I have these random pages. So if I click blog, this is a pretty random page. If I click portfolio, this is a pretty random page. So what I want is just that homepage. So I'm going to click pages. I'm going to click blog, and I'm going to click delete. I don't need this page at all. And then I'm going to click portfolio. This is another page that I don't need, so I'm going to click portfolio, and then I would click delete. And then you can see I have all of these extra pages: Humanities Competency 1, Humanities Competency 2, Humanities Xenophobia, and my pixel art, but I don't see any of those here. So the thing that I need to do is I need to double click. I can caption it. So let's say that this is my CS pixel art. It obviously isn't, but we'll say that it is. So we have it as CS pixel art. Then I'm going to click it. I'm going to click link, and then I want to make sure that, let's pretend that it wasn't linked. So I'm going to make sure that it's linked to standard page, and then I search down until I click my pixel art. And now it's done. Now if I want to add something for these Humanities Competency 2s, I'm going to find a photo. I'm going to just pick a random photo, but for you it should be a photo that actually makes sense. I'm going to really pick a random photo. Once it uploads, I'm going to do the same exact thing that I just showed you. It's uploading. There's that image. I am now going to label it, so I can just click twice. So notice if I click once in the white space, it lets me add images. If I click again on that image, I can link it to, let's say that this is again standard page. Perhaps this is my Humanities Competency 2, and I'm going to click it again, and then I'm going to call this Humanities and whatever it should be called. I don't think that it's supposed to be called Competency 2, but that's what I will call it for this example. Humanities. And so now you can see that it's linked. You won't be able to see the link until you publish. So if I was to click publish, I'd be able to see how it's actually linked. So when I click on that link, I'm able to see that when I click Humanities Competency 2, it should take me to a page called Humanities Competency 2 for